Ooh.
Oh, happy Halloween.
Oh, it's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween, ladies and gentlemen, on Siesta Key Village. Siesta Key, Sarasota, Florida. And this is the village part of Siesta Key. So because it's a key, there are tons and tons of beaches all around. Oh, it's Halloween. But the village is like kind of like the little, well, it's the village. It's where all the restaurants and shops are. There's a lot of bars. During busier times of year, like spring break and whatnot, it's kind of like party central also, if that's your scene. It's Halloween, but it's early in the day, so it's not super crowded out here yet. So we're gonna have a little skate with the rolling wizard of, whoa, the jumping rolling wizard of Halloween. Whoa.
It's kind of hard to see out of the
Can you see?
A little bit.
Can you see with your wig and your cape? Hey, hey, happy Halloween! It's a free ride golf cart, which is cool. There's also a trolley out here. All sorts of shops and restaurants out here. Woo! Happy Halloween! He's the rolling wizard. Whoa, look at this, look at that fancy feet. Look at the fancy feet of the... But anyway, this place is fun. We love to skate here. There's all these bricks, but these bricks are really smooth. You might not guess it from looking at them, but they're really smooth to skate. So you can skate all around the village. Get ice cream, get snacks, beverages. Nice, I think it's a Mexican restaurant here. It's really nice. Ooh. All right.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, happy, it's a bumblebee. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. Hi, Bobby. Oh. Everybody loves to laugh at the rolling wizard. Okay, we gotta get back out. Whoa, watch it, wizard. Get back out to the village here, wizard. Getting off on a side street. Happy Halloween! All right, so down here we got the Siesta Market on this intersection. Oh, a little tiny puppy. Siesta Market over there, Lobster Pot. The Village Pub over here. Lots and lots of places to eat and shop. Woo! And the Rolling Wizard carries on. Happy Halloween, everybody! It's Big Olaf Creamery here, which is famous and delicious. Happy Halloween! Yeah, the wizard skates through Siesta Key Village. Yeah. Woo! This is a quieter time of year. We get like more season, like after Christmas and New Year's, I would say. It's the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Turn around, wizard. The people want to get a picture of the Rolling Wizard of Halloween. Here, I'll get out of the picture. Oh, the wizard has fans. The wizard has some fans. All right, y'all have a happy Halloween. It's the Rolling Wizard. Happy Halloween. And the Siesta Key Oyster Bar. Hey, happy Halloween. The Rolling Wizard's rolling by. Hey, hey. All right. He's carrying on. How are you? It's a beautiful day to be a rolling wizard. I don't know how he does it in that robe. I wonder about it. Happy Halloween. It's the Rolling Wizard. But basically, Siesta Village is where you go for, if you like beach and party, or places to, Happy Halloween, places to go bar hopping, or just places to, good places to eat, lots of nice restaurants. Watch the wizard go. Ho ho! All right, so we're wrapping it up here, kind of the end of the village strip, so to speak. We're gonna finish here at the intersection of Beach Road and, what is it? Ocean Boulevard. Woo! It's here at the end of Siesta Key Village here, and just to let you know, if you carry on that away, in the direction of my pointing finger, takes you toward the public beach, but there's a lot of different beach accesses all around us. And of course, the Rolling Wizard. So come, Happy Halloween! Come to Siesta Key.